Hi guys! Late ko na tong inisip na i-video pero hindi pa to talagang nabukas. This is a Skibidi Toilet Mystery Figure Collector Series 1. Here are the things that you can collect. You got Speaker Woman, TV Woman, Pleasure Man, Skibidi Toilet. That is the one that I don't like. Speaker Man, Cameraman, TV Man, G Toilet. Super awesome. This is for entertainment purposes only. Oh, I'm so excited! I think this is from CSI, and then I bought it. Bought it in plastic. Make sure to buy this at CSI. It's only one box left. And then make sure that you make it. I can just see it because I'm so excited. Please don't get. Oh, here's a credit. Here's a credit. So it says, wait, let me check that. There you go. No way! This is the first time that Oh, this is so good. You've got a mystery plush! Cameraman, Speaker Man, Skibidi Toilet, another one that I don't like. Look what's inside. Toilet container, mini figures, mystery stickers, exclusive lanyard, Skibidi. Oh, I like when they lap. Oh look, this is Speaker Titan! Not the executor. And not the secret one. Mini figures, standard figures, mystery plush, mystery stickers, exclusive beyond life. Collect them all! Skibidi Toilet. Series 1. Oh, I'm so excited! Here's the blind bag! Bro, I am so excited! Oh no, this is G-Man! This is the one that I don't like! Seriously, kidding me? Are you serious? No more credits. Well, that's just a figure. At least this is just a figurine. At least. Because I can... Wait. Oh. Whoa, there's no mystery plush? Are you kidding me? Well, that's just stuff. Oh. There's a protection. Oh! Oh! Thank you for whoever made this. Thank you for giving me this. Thank you for putting it on CSI sale. At least dapat na-get ko yung isa. So here's my ugly character G-Man, which is the one that I don't like. Jetpacks don't work, of course. What do these noise rooms? Skibidi Toilet. There's no mystery plush. Kidding me? I got this logo. At least they're on the Speaker Man side now. At least. Also, I don't like him that much. Anyways, check out the Skibidi Toilet figurine now. It's just 749 pesos. But buy the Skibidi Toilet now and get your mystery plush. Cameraman, speaker man, Skibidi Toilet, and TV man. Whoa, this is the one that I got! Well, that's just a load of oracles. Wait, where is it? Here it goes. G Toilet. Bye-bye, guys. And make sure to check this out in the link. Bye-bye. Okay, guys. So, it's night outside. I still have this Skibidi Toilet. Just check one out in the bio in my section. I'm just doing a Skibidi Toilet fandom right now. And I just don't like it when it's just... Oh, here I go. Here's the credit that I always been saying. Here's an edit. Sorry guys, but it's an edit. Okay. Sorry guys, but this is an edit. I'm gonna put this video on screen on the other video that I make. And then, now, I'm just gonna send it on YouTube, okay? Anyways, I still got the plushie. Or not the plushie, I got the character. Anyways, check out the link in the bio right now. Here's G Toilet.